Hi there, welcome to my Catalyst review. My name is Henry Tay. Catalyst is a one-of-a-kind system that has taken years of development and fine-tuning. It works by piggybacking the world's biggest traffic source, legally funneling thousands of daily visitors. Very few people know how to do this, meaning they are leaving money on the table and lots of it. In this review, I will show you what this product is all about, and I will show you the bonuses that are in store for you and the bonuses that I have for you when you purchase this through my link in the description below, and what are the vendor bonuses they have for you. And I will also be sharing with you the front end price and the upsells, and also will be showing you the review access in the members area. So stay with me. At the front end price of $7, you can get this through my link below to get all the benefits of the bonuses that I have in store for you. And the first upsell, which is priced at $47, is the Catalyst Unlimited. Unlimited everything. With this upgrade, you will be able to unlock more traffic. Also included is Limitless, our full training course on how to sell on Amazon to make $100,000 a year. And the downsell is priced at $27. And the second upgrade is Catalyst, which is priced at $97, and the downsell is $47. There is the weekly mastermind course inside to skyrocket your results. And the upsell number 3, Catalyst Unlimited Traffic at $197, and siphon all the highly targeted traffic for more profits. Users get direct access to the audience by placing pixels on sales pages for the next 365 days. And upsell number 4, Catalyst Resell Rights, priced at $197, and the downsell is $98.50, is get the commissions through the entire funnel. Sell Catalyst as if it was your own product and take away commissions. And here are 8 reasons why you must grab Catalyst. Free traffic on tap, newbie friendly, no risk money back guarantee, the right timing, all the tools you need to succeed, no monthly fees, VIP support, and is your source of passive income. It's so easy. Run Catalyst from the comfort of your home or anywhere else that has an internet connection. So look at what you are getting with Catalyst. The Catalyst system valued at $3,997. Automation software valued at $1,997. 4 figures a day case studies valued at $997. VIP support valued at $997. Passive traffic starting today $4,997. Total value is $12,897. So when you get Catalyst through my link in the description below, these are the bonuses that I have in store for you. Bonus number 1, valued at $427.95, is SS High Ticket Mastery. You will also get bonus number 2, valued at $46.75, is how to WordPress your YouTube video post. You will also get bonus number 3, valued at $344.95, is how to set up your product on WordPress. And you also get bonus number 4, valued at $267, is Fuel Breakout. And you will also get the vendor bonuses. And what are the vendor bonuses? Let's bring you there to take a look. So bonus number 1 is Social Niche Marketing Mastery, valued at $97. Bonus number 2, Keyword Magician, valued at $147. And you will also get bonus number 3 from the vendor, Instant Content Creator, valued at $147. And you will also get bonus number 4, Veralicity, valued at $97. So once you have purchased Catalyst through the link in my link in the description below, you will have access to come to the members area. And this is the members area. The first is a welcome video.
Hey, what's up? This is Robin Palmer, and I just wanted to, of course, on behalf of Frankie Pellegrino and myself.
This is video number 1.
Hey, what is up? This is Robin Palmer. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to rank on Google.
Basically, this video is teaching you how to do press releases. And then this video number 2.
Hey, what's up? This is Robin Palmer, and in this video, I wanted to share with you some free resources that you can use to get your
This video is telling you about the free resources in all the press release sites that you can post your links.
Hey, what is up? This is Robin Palmer. In this video, I'll be explaining how you can
Basically,
rank.
this third video is talking about Reddit, where you can post, you can open 10 to 20 accounts using various softwares, which it will be mentioned in this video, to post all your links to get traffic to your products. Okay, let's watch a little bit more.
With Reddit. Now, essentially, you're going to be embedding videos within different Reddit accounts. Now, you can opt to set this up just by creating around, I would set up between 10 and 20 Reddit accounts for this purpose. So 10 to 20 Reddit.
Okay. And here are all the other bonuses that you can download. And you also can join the YouTube channel of Robin, and also the Facebook group. This is the members area. So do not forget to purchase this product through my link in the description below. And before I end this video review, I will bring you to the demo video by Robin Palmer. Thank you.
That's the amount that I earned using this. Hi, my name is Robin Palmer, and let me show you the results that we're getting with Catalyst. This amount here, that's the amount that I earned using this specific method. And it's a very simple method. Once it's in place, it's basically pretty passive. As an experienced affiliate marketer, I know how hard it can be to get the ball rolling with your online business. We're talking websites, squeeze pages, list building, follow-up emails, codes, funnels, EPCs, traffic, split testing. Enough to drive any newbie crazy. No wonder 95% of people simply give up. In fact, I get hundreds of emails from struggling newbies telling me, how can I make an extra consistent $100 per day without any complications? It's a simple method that allows me to pay my bills. Well, I've listened to you, and I'm proud to offer you a solution, a simple system that can make you a consistent $100 per day without any tech skills. Introducing Catalyst. Catalyst is a one-of-a-kind system that we spend tons of time developing and fine-tuning. It works by piggybacking the world's biggest traffic source, legally funneling thousands of visitors each day, and very few people know about this. Now, this means that people are leaving money on the table, and lots of it. And this is where you come in, and you're going to be taking that money from the table. You see, by inserting your links, you can reroute that traffic anywhere you want. High ticket offers, affiliate offers, CPA offers, e-com products, Amazon products, list building squeeze pages, local businesses, to any link that you want. All without the need for video creation, article creation, selling on Fiverr, paid traffic, Facebook groups, funnels, or any of the other usual stuff that even smell techy. And the cool thing is that you don't even need to be a native English speaker to do this. It seriously doesn't get any easier than this. You see, someone else has already created this system that gets you daily visitors, thousands of visitors, for you to easily monetize in a matter of minutes. This is 100% painless and easy. You can even stay totally anonymous if you want to. Now, this is a system that I discovered while searching for a way to generate high ticket sales on demand. I was already getting results, but I wanted something that I could deploy fast, activate like right now. That's when I thought this is perfect for you if you don't want to put yourself out there, which is why I think this is a perfect course for you if you want to make thousands per day while remaining anonymous. It's also great for non-native English speakers who are not confident on camera or with the writing or grammar skills, or anyone who is still lost, confused, or just don't know where to start. So this is how it works. You select a product, which we're gonna be showing you how. You plug in your link into the system, and the step number 3, you're gonna be seeing traffic coming in fast. What's inside of Catalyst? You're gonna find a step-by-step system that shows you how to implement everything from A to C, and a software that makes it this simple, eliminating almost all of the hard work for you. Plus advanced traffic training strategies taught by myself. Now, there's no excuse to not make good money online. Start making money regardless of your native language, your skills, and remain totally anonymous and invisible, if you want to call it that way. If I can do this, you can do this. Once you have the system set up, you can start living your life. We also have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if after 30 days you don't get any kind of results, just shoot us an email and we're gonna be happy to refund your money in full. It's time for you to finally start making good money online. Just click the button below this video.